Hello Milesters, how are you doing? And if you're new to my channel, then I'm Miloni and I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos. And if you like the kind of videos that I make, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. Before we start this video, I just want to tell you that there is a giveaway running on my channel and I'm giving away 5 face sheet masks. And the rules of the giveaway are very simple. All of them are in the description box below, so be sure to follow them. And now let's get started with this week's video. So this week's video is another unboxing video and we are going to be unboxing the Euphorbia Box. This is how the box looks this time. It's brown in color. Usually their box is white, but this time it's brown. And this is for the month of May 2018, and the cost of this box is rupees 248 rupees, plus there's a shipping of rupees 42 as well that applies. And you can buy this box from their website, which is written here as well. It is euphorbiabox.com. So you can go to this website now and order this box if you like the products in this box. And now, without wasting further time, let's just get started with the unboxing. So when you open this box, this is what you see inside. There is a red color bag. So this is how the bag looks from inside. You can use this bag for storing your stuff. Yes, this is reusable, and let's see what's inside this. So I can see that there's a pouch. Yes, there is. So this time again they have sent a pouch, and let me tell you, the pouch material is really very good. So you can use this to keep your money or like a few lipsticks when you're traveling, or all your things that you daily require in this pouch. So this is how the pouch looks from inside, and it also has Euphorbia Box written over here. And now let's see what's inside this box. The first thing that I can see is this card. And let's read what's written on the card. It says Chasing the Sun Euphorbia Box. I think it's Chasing the Sun edition. And it says May Euphorbia Box. And it has name of all the products along with their prices mentioned here. I'll be telling you each price as soon as I unbox each and every product. So that's about this card. And there is one more card inside this box. Let's see what that is. So this card reads, Chase the Sun. You're entitled to a floral face and body mist on orders about 1,000 rupees. And check out the whole range at www.goodsoap.in. So let's start with the first product, and that is this. It is from the company Good Soap, and it is their artisan hand blended Wild Valley of 1,000 Roses bath and shower gel, 100% certified organic ingredients based. So this is how this looks, and it reads naturally. I can't read the other word because it's gone. Handpicked roses have a soothing effect on the skin. The fragrance immediately takes you to the wild valleys of the Himalayas that are blessed with the natural bounty of floral bliss. The ingredients are shower gel based, extract of wild roses, 1,000 Roses EO, olive oil, English Rose EO. It was bottled on 5th of April 2018, so that's just been like a month now, and best before 24 months. And it is 1000 ml of the product, and the cost of the product is rupees 550. So this is really very good, and I don't know whether I told you or no, but this time's box has products worth rupees 1647, and the first product itself is worth rupees 550. So that's really very good. And let us just open this and see how it smells. It smells really very nice. So I'm going to be trying this and I'll let you know how this product was. So this is the first product. Now let's get to the second product of the box, and that is this. It's from the company Bath Sutra. It's their Lavender Love Face and Body Mist, 50 ml of the product. It is made in India, and the directions are spray onto clean face and neck to hydrate and freshen the skin. For external use only, it is paraben free, chemical free and cruelty free. And the ingredients are aqua and lavender hydrosol, and it is manufactured in 04-2018 and best before 07-2018, and the price of this is 499, and it's curated for the Euphorbia Box. So let us just smell it. So it's nice. It has this like spa kind of a fragrance to it, not very strong on the lavender, but yes, totally like a spa kind of a smell, like the soothing effect. So this is the second product of the box. Now let's get to the third product of the box, and that is, it's a lipstick or a lip crayon, and it is Matte Lips by 7Cs, and it is their Crazy Matte Pen Lipstick. So this is how it looks. It also has the manufacturing date, which is 03-2018, and it is best before 02-2021. And the MRP of this is 299 rupees. I'm going to be swatching this and showing you how this looks. So when you swatch this, this is how the color looks. It's a nice red color, and let me tell you, it is super easy, like it glides on super easily, and the color payoff is also very good. So this is the first pen lipstick in this month's box. So they've also mentioned that everyone who purchases this box gets the same shade of the lipstick. And now let's get to the last product of the box, and let's see what that is. Okay, it's another lipstick, and let's swatch this as well. It's from the same company, that is Matte Lips by 7Cs. It is again their Crazy Matte Pen Lipstick, and let's see how that is. So I'm going to be swatching it here. This is how it looks. It's a nice pink color, like a fuchsia pink. Both the colors are perfect for summers. So these were the 4 products in this month's Euphorbia box, and you can let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite product. And if you want to see my review on any of the products, then you can follow me on my Instagram handle. That will be on the screen here, so be sure to follow me there and check out my reviews there. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay connected. As I say always, loads of love, hugs and kisses, XOXO, bye. Also don't forget to check my giveaway.